Hello and welcome to Bleak's Nature. I am your host, Bleak. Today, snow monkeys. Snow monkeys, ironically, are here in Central Park in 90-degree heat. They are called snow monkeys because I believe they prefer the snow. And summer, August in New York City is not a place for this family of snow monkeys. They are literally trapped on small little islands in water here, and we have trapped them so that they cannot escape like the 7 crew members of Gilligan's Island here. And they did not even go on a 3-hour tour. They were probably captured and put into nets and terrified by their captors in the name of humanity and all that is good about education. And yet somehow I think that they feel a little bit lonely, don't you think? Trapped on small little rocks there in the middle of Alcatraz for monkeys, snow monkeys. This has been another edition of Bleak's Nature with your host, Bleak, which is me.